Are you currently based abroad or outside Metro Manila and one of your goals this year is to start your journey toward investing in your dream home? Good news! With DMCI Homes, you can begin your investment journey without needing to be physically present. Here's how we make it easy and hassle-free for you. Investing with DMCI Homes is easy and convenient even if you're not in the Philippines. Here's your guide from virtual site visits to reserving your unit, signing the contract to sell, and processing the balance for financing. We, accredited salespersons of DMCI Homes, offers virtual site visits where you can view the model units and project locations. Additionally, our social media platforms, especially on YouTube, provides comprehensive presentations of DMCI Homes projects. Once you've selected a DMCI Homes project, you may request an updated inventory of available units ranging from studios to 3-bedroom options. Then, we'll send you a registration link. Once your registration is complete, you'll gain access to DMCI Homes inventory where you can hold your chosen unit. We'll be there to assist you throughout the entire process. After holding your unit, you'll receive an email confirmation. Follow the link to complete the online reservation agreement and make the reservation fee payment. You can pay through PayMaya using credit cards or local bank bills payment options. For more details on local bank payments, coordinate with us for assistance. After paying the reservation fee, we'll begin processing the contract to sell. You can choose to assign an attorney in fact or sign the contract personally. If you opt to sign it personally, we'll send the contract to sell via courier or email. Once signed, you'll need to return the documents back to the DMCI Homes. For the down payment, you have several options. Auto-debit arrangements through local banks, remittance from local and international banks, or bank transfers via Robinson's virtual account. Post-dated checks are also an option if you have a local checking bank account. After the down payment is completed, DMCI Homes will assist you with bank financing as we are tied up with most local banks. So kabayan, what are you waiting for? Start your real estate investment journey with DMCI Homes today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Until my next video, happy investing!